Slowly but surely, the climate is changing. It's hard to see now, but if you look at pictures from the 1900s to the 2000s, you could see a pretty big difference. Let's talk about it. Emma, the science cowgirl. Emma. Emma, the science cowgirl. Climate change. Hurricanes, storms, tornadoes. I can go on all day, but I don't feel like it. Some people believe that in 2030, no human will be on this planet. Fossil fuels like oil, coal, and natural gas make CO2. If you didn't know, CO2 is the thing that is warming our planet. Even though plants and trees absorb CO2, there's too much for them to handle, and they can't absorb any more. With more CO2, the Earth will just get warmer and warmer, and that is global warming. 10 out of 13 years leading up to 2015 were the warmest years ever recorded in the history of the world! This is causing more ice to melt in less time, and that is catastrophic. Here's a picture of the CN Tower. This massive building is 457 meters above ground. Now, people say that if all the ice melted, the sea level will go up by 70 meters. That means 15% of the CN Tower would get covered, and the CN Tower is huge. Imagine what it would do to a regular house. Here's a cool fact. Miami is raising all its buildings and houses by 4 feet, so they won't have to worry about flooding. Sadly, the water is rising too fast, and by the time they finish the construction, the water level would have gone up more. It's basically pointless to move the land up. Ice and snow come from frozen water, so let's try this out. Take a glass and fill it with ice. Now wait overnight. The next day, the ice should be melted or almost melted. See the water? It's like snow and ice when it melts. Pretty cool, huh? So how can we help? We can ride a bike! Or buy an electric car. Even if you need a car and you don't have an electric car, take a bus. Now you know. Don't use fossil fuels, otherwise it will lead to more of the ice melting. Stay awesome and stay tuned to the next episode of Emma and I, the Science Cowgirl. Peace out.